How's it going, everyone? I'm back again, and this time I'm sharing with you all a little 3-day cottage getaway that I went on. To be honest, I didn't really plan on posting anything, so I just kind of slapped something together. But I did have a road trip that I went on last year, and I made a video of it. I don't know if you guys seen it. It was pretty cool. I didn't get a lot of views on it, but I definitely urge you guys to go check that one out because that was a really fun video. So I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this one. But the little that I've taken was enough to share with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. And this look of Ontario, because that's where we are, in Ontario, Canada. We're going up to the town that I've been before called Memora. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And this is just a little drive through the town before we get to the cottage. Looking forward for 3 days of nothing but relaxation. While I was there, I was able to get in a toy photography session, which I'm going to share with you guys at the end of this video. And I'm going to post it by itself as well. But toy photography, that's my stress reliever. Everybody needs a hobby. No matter what it is, who cares what anybody thinks or what anybody has to say about it? Find yourself a hobby. Find something fun, something that you enjoy, and just do it.
Do it! Just do it!
As long as you're not hurting yourself or anyone else, it's good to have something you can escape with every now and then.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
My nigga.
Whether it be music, photography, art, or even collecting. Now this is just a little look of the outside of the area that we stayed. Beautiful place. I'm not much of a swimmer, but my friends, they got to enjoy the water fun, and I was cool with kicking back and chilling and taking some footage of them having fun. After all the fun in the sun and relaxing, it was time to get that barbecue popping. And sorry to all the vegans out there, but I still eat an occasional meat every now and then. So got the barbecue going. Some potato.
Really good. Yeah, it's like that.
There's nothing better than some shots after a barbecue with some good friends.
Yeah!
And about those things that I enjoy, one of those are an occasional cigar. And to end the night off with some drinks and friends. A good Cuban cigar. Cheers. And here we are, we made it into the next day, and it's a beautiful morning for some nature toy photography. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this little glimpse of my getaway into the good old country of Ontario, Canada. Have you guys ever been to Canada before? Or how many of my followers are Canadians? Let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to check out my other road trip. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. But before you go, do me a big favor. And that's hit that bell notification. And most of all, definitely subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys soon on the next one.